Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you stuff I've been working on. I know I've been doing bead unboxings and some tutorials for a couple other companies, but I haven't really been showing you just like my own stuff that I'm working on, that I'm, just doing it without, using anybody else's beads, but just my own little blends. So I wanted to show you some jewelry I've been working on. I have been on a huge seed bead kick. I think it's just because it's, in May, it starts getting hot down here in Florida, and you really don't want too heavy a jewelry on, chunky pieces. So I've been working on a lot of seed bead jewelry. So I wanted to show you this. This one it's a little chunkier, but the rest of them aren't. So I made these cute little earrings, and then I made this necklace to go with it. So I used some of my bright tangerine seed beads, and then I had one of these little copper round spacers. So I just wrapped the seed beads around twice, and then brought it up. And then what I did is here, I just took the wire, there's two wires, and I put one on each side. Then I put this in the middle, and then separated it again, and it holds this in place. And then I have another chunky piece there. Then some of my Picasso Jasper seed beads, and just some of, I think some of these actually are from, these are from Sam's Bead Box maybe. I don't even know. Then I have some of my crystal bicones, and just some of my seed bead jewelry here, and I just used the wire covers and just a plain little copper toggle clasp. So I used this, and then I did this to match. I thought these were so cute. So yeah, this is just kind of like some summer jewelry I've been working on. I love filming videos, but there's days where and I'm sure you can all relate, I just like to sit in my bead room and I watch my iPad, and I'm watching like Golden Girls or Frasier or Frankie and Grace. Frankie and Grace I've probably seen like 15 million times. And I'll just put it on because it's a rerun, and I'll just, work. These are my funnest days. So yeah, so this is my one thing I'm working on. And then here's another one. I used the same little toggle clasp, and I made myself a little, I had this little butterfly. I think this was from Auntie's Beads, if I'm not mistaken. And I love these little seed beads. Then I just made a little pair of seed bead earrings to match. They're very lightweight. This is just like something that would be fun to wear, in the summer if it's hot out, because you want to, if you want to wear some jewelry, but you don't want it to be too heavy, So these are just the little seed beads that I used. Love the way this turned out. So yeah, so this is my other piece. So I have this. Then I have, now I can't remember where I got, here's the earrings. And I don't remember if these were from Sam's Bead Box or Bargain Bead Box. I think they were from Sam's Bead Box, if I'm not mistaken. Might have been like 3 months ago, maybe. So here's another one I've been working on. So just like fun little summer pieces. Again, I love my little orangey seed beads and crystal bicones and turquoise blue metallic beads. I think this is really pretty. It's nice and light. It's not a heavy piece of jewelry. It's just something fun. It would go with the sundress or something like that. So here's this. And then a couple days ago, I had to go into Michael's, and I don't go in there too often, but I had to go in there to get some more beading wire because I was out and I needed some right away, and I knew I wouldn't end up getting it in time. And I went out of my comfort zone, what I've been using for stuff, and I got these beads. I had a coupon for 20% off on regular priced items. And I love these purple ones, and I don't really have any in 11Os of these checklist beads, seed beads. So I got these, thought these were so pretty. And then these actually kind of look more of an autumn color to me. But these are 6Os, but I absolutely love them. And I thought, you could use them for summer stuff too. Then I got these. These are 6Os too. This one's called Topaz. This one's called Amber. They're both very pretty. And then I ended up getting these 11Os, transparent gold, because you can pretty much use the gold with either one. So I have no clue what I'm going to come up with from these, but I did love these. I just was over there and I thought, okay. So then I had some glass heart beads. So I took let me move these. So I took these. Wait, which ones did I use? No, I took these. I didn't use these yet. So I took these, and then I have had some little silver spacers, and I had some of my little crystal bicones. I had these little glass hearts. So I just I cut 2 long bead wire pieces, and I attached these on, and then I just kind of did this, and then I brought them both together for these two, and then just separated it for like a little dangle here. So it's almost kind of like a little, not as tight as a choker, but just this. And then I ended up doing this at the bottom. And it turned out so cute. I tried it on and I'm like, I might keep this one for myself. But yeah, I had made a couple pieces, a couple sets of seed bead things, and put them up on my Etsy store, and they actually sold pretty quickly. I think, a lot of people, some people love chunky jewelry and some people don't. And, so it's kind of like whatever you're, attracted to when you see it. But I made one that was like red, white, and blue, and it was pretty cool. And it sold right away. So I might put these up and keep this one for myself. I'm not sure. But yeah, I just thought these were really cool. I kind of just wanted to share what I've been working on lately. So that not much else going on right now. My husband and I went over the weekend to see Paul McCartney. My wonderful husband surprised me with 8th row tickets for Paul McCartney. It was like bucket list. So we had a great time, and wow, Paul just did not disappoint. Anybody who's a Beatle fan, I highly recommend going to see him. The guy is, I think, 79. And he played for, he sang 36 songs. He played for over 3 hours straight. Did not go to the bathroom, did not take a break. I think he had water twice. I don't know where he gets his energy from, but I'd like to know what kind of vitamins he takes. It must be that vegan lifestyle that he has. But it was wild. So yeah, other than that, everything's going good here. And I thank everybody that follows me on my channel. And I just wanted to take a couple minutes and just kind of show you everything I've been working on. And let me know in the comments what you think about it and what you've been working on with your mat. And I will have some more tutorials coming up soon. And then I had started a series where I was talking about where I get my inspiration for color mixtures from, and I was using it with nature and stuff, and then I kind of didn't do that. I kind of haven't finished with that, so I'm going to end up working on that still. I was talking about maybe taking some paintings and all that stuff, so I'm going to be working on that too this summer, getting that going. So I have a lot more new stuff coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments what you thought of everything. And I hope I inspired you to maybe pull out your seed beads and create some things and kind of go out of your comfort zone with colors. I love purples. I absolutely love purples, but I just don't normally buy purple seed beads. So I thought this turned out really pretty. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up videos for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time I upload a new video. And I have a lot of new stuff coming in the months ahead, so I hope you enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments, you know, anytime what you think, because I do read every single comment and I try to answer every single comment. I will do what you guys want me to do here as far as tutorials and everything. If you have any ideas, just let me know. Also, my Facebook link, my Instagram, Etsy, and my Pinterest link are also below if you want to follow me on there. I do post a lot of new stuff pretty much every day. So thank you everybody again, and I will see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.